Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to BSS Online Education. I am Muhammad Imtiaz Ali, your physics teacher. Today I am going to explain about energy transformations. Generally, one form of energy can be changed or transformed into another. We will look at some of these transformations and see how they form links in energy chains. Look at here, in a car, the energy in petrol is stored chemical energy or potential energy. Burning the petrol inside the engine converts the chemical energy to heat energy, and heat expands the gases in the cylinder, which causes the piston to be pushed down as mechanical energy. So from petrol we'll get the chemical energy, and after burning it will turn into thermal energy, and from that energy, when the car will move, it will turn into mechanical energy. Then energy transformation, second one, look at the picture. From electrical energy it will turn into mechanical energy. In our homes we have devices driven by electric motors like fans, mixture grinder and washing machine, which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Then look at this one. In a thermal power station, chemical energy stored in the coal is converted to heat energy by burning, which is used to convert water to steam, and after that this steam drives the turbine, which converts heat energy to mechanical energy, and as the turbine turns the generator, mechanical energy turns into electrical energy. After that, conservation of energy. So from this explanation we can understand that the law of conservation of energy states that during the transformation of energy from one form to another, the total amount of energy is unchanged, which one we got from our previous explanation. And we had seen how energy is changing, and energy cannot be destroyed, it will just transfer from one form of energy into another one. Now look at the sources of energy. We have two types of sources of energy. First one is about renewable energy resource. It can be replaced or renewed by natural processes or by human action. For example, wood, water and wind. These are the resource of renewable energy. And look at the second one, non-renewable energy resource. It cannot be replaced or renewed by natural processes or by human action. For example, fossil fuels like coal, petroleum and natural gas. These are the resource of non-renewable energy, because after burning we will not get it again. So that's why these are called non-renewable energy resource. Eventually we shall run out all fossil fuels, so it is necessary to turn to alternative sources of energy. What are they? Look at here. Nuclear power. It refers to the power coming from the energy stored within the atom, hence also referred to as atomic power. Then we have solar power. It involves making direct use of the sun's light and heat through a variety of mechanisms. Then wind power. Windmills are used to generate electricity. Then water power. Hydroelectric power stations require water to be stored behind a dam, and then the potential energy of this stored water is converted to electricity as water turbine turn generators. The movement of the ocean waves and tides is considered a potential source of energy, being converted by some means or another into electricity. Then another interesting power we have, that is about plant power. It is a rapidly developing energy source. The so-called biofuels come from renewable resource. So this is about the biofuel, which one we can also use as fuel. Then another thing we have, that is about gasohol. What is it? Ethanol obtained from plant starch or sugar can be used to power vehicles directly. At present, it is more likely to be mixed with petrol to give gasohol, as in Brazil. That means when we will mix ethanol with petrol, it will be turned into gasohol, which one is using as a fuel in Brazil. So these things we can get from plants, and this is the another alternative source of energy. Now about energy chain, what is it? A series of energy transformations constitute an energy chain. Look at this picture. Here from sun the grass will absorb the energy and then it will be eaten by goat and goat will be eaten by lion. So this is about the example of energy chain. Look at here. Solar energy is also the ultimate source of food, and plants absorb light energy from the sun and change into chemical energy. This chemical energy is used by animals, including human beings, which depend on plants for their food needs. So that's all for today. Thank you.